showing you how you can cut a rafter without using any measurements or any complex tools. Usually you want a little bit of overhang in front of your top plate, but for the project I'm doing, I'm not going to do that. So to get a perfect notch right in here, what you're going to do is find the height of this gap right here, the biggest gap, and find a block of wood that is about the same thickness as that. So this 2x4 is about the same thickness as that gap. And what you're going to do is just score a mark like that, cross, and you can drop your block of wood down right here and draw a line up. And then you have a perfect notch that's going to fit right on there. And then you can repeat that for the back. Once again, make sure everything's lined up how you want it to be. Put the same board as a measuring piece right there. Score a mark across. Then you can start cutting up your rafter. I'm going to be using a jigsaw to cut this. Flip it around, cut the other side. And now you know how to cut a rafter without using any measurements or any complex tools.